Hey people, so this is my son trying to feed this little lady called Lori. Having rabbits in the house is relaxing, yeah. It's just feels good. And then there are the parent rabbits here. I cleaned the cage and still it started. In another 1 hour, I have an eye healing class, and see, as you can see, the number of carrots we eat. But Hannah, this is so sweet. We've never seen any major difference in personality of rabbits that are twin colored and the ones who are single color, right? All our twin colored rabbits have been remarkable, no? At some level, right from Bonnie to Tarama.
Look at all of them.
Yeah, this guy Jasper immediately turns to look at the camera. He's one camera friendly rabbit, the rabbit that was looking at me just now.
This with your phone.
Yeah, okay.